Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up Clubhouse account on your device. So it's basically both on Android and iOS, so you can download this from your app store, as well as now it is available on Google Play Store. So to download this application, you just need to visit App Store or Google Play Store. So now let us get inside and let me just show you how you can set up the Clubhouse account by yourself. So after receiving an invitation card from someone, so just receive an invitation card from someone, you just need to click on get your username here. So after clicking here, let me just enter my phone number here. So and then click on next option. So after entering your phone number, you have to click on next option and you will receive a code. Simply enter your code here, and this is the person who invited me. So just click on import from Twitter, and then this type of interface will pop up. So just click on authorized app on the bottom, and then again this type of interface will pop up. So here you can see, yeah, they will be asking you to fill up your name. So let me just enter my name in this way. So click on next option here, and then this is my username. So just let me just click on next, and then you can see here great how these photos. So if you want to change the photo, simply tap on this photo section here. So let me just change my photo here. Let me just change my photo. Let me just select one good photo. Okay, let me just select this and click on choose option, and then click on next. So here we go. Please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get more informative videos every day. So click on OK, or you can skip this. So here you can see I have only this much people on my Clubhouse. So let us just click on looks good. After clicking to this looks good here, this type of interface will pop up. Tap your interest to find more people. So you can just select your vibes, select your hangout option. Welcome Nevis, and in faith you can just go for Buddhism and Hinduism, Christianity, and in art you can go for photography, design, and again advertising, and what else, food and drink, fashion, and art. So in life you can go for relationship, dating, traveling. So in entertainment you go for comedy, performance, and celebrities, and again you can go for gaming also, and music also. And in places you can just go for India, Paris, London. I like every out countries. So let me go for identity. So let me just go for indigenous, and go for this. No, let me just, you can just select your own way. So language, you can go for any language. So let me just not take the language now. I can speak any language. So knowledge, you can go for let me just go for psychology, education, maths. I won't go for maths, the future, and physics. Now sports, let me just go for basketball, baseball, cricket, and soccers. So here you can see you have to select in this way. Tech, you can go for marketing, product, engineering, startup, and DTC. And wellness, you can go for outdoors. Hostel, you can go for entrepreneurship, Instagram, stock, small business, and etc. Clubhouse and TikTok. Let me just go for this. Now you have to click on find people option, and then here you can see cross-checking our files. So you have to wait for some time. So until that, please hit that red color subscribe button. And here you can see I have got a lot of friends from all over the world. So you can add in this way. So let me add some of my friends here on the Clubhouse account. So if you like the video, please, and if you want to support to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, So just click on follow. Let me just follow them and click on allow option. Now guys, here my Clubhouse account has been set up, so it's very pretty simple. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.